welcome to the next session for Ceredigion Active. Today we're going to transfer Fit in 5 into a full physical activity session of about 15 to 20 minutes. So the Fit in 5 scenario came from the daily mile, so always we'll be including running as one activity, followed by 4 skill-based activities. We'll be working for 45 seconds with 15 seconds rest, and we'll be doing 3 sets, so it's going to be quite hard work. If we've got an activity that is quite strenuous and it's going to be quite hard, then we'll follow that one, which is a little bit easier, but it might require more skill. Come and see the 5 activities. So the first one is jumping and landing, and I've rolled up some tea cloths here, and I'm going to jump, bringing my arms back, bending my knees, pushing forward. Good landing every time, and we're walking back. Keep working for the full 45 seconds. Activity 2, by here, I've got a big ball and a small ball. We're just going to bounce on the ball, having a little bit of rest aerobically or energetic wise from the first one. I'm just going to be bouncing the ball, 2 hands, 1 hand, or drop and a catch. The same with the big, smaller ball. It depends how you feel. Choose whichever you've got in the house, or however much you want to challenge yourself. That's activity 2. 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. 3, third one, fast feet. I put some shoes down here, and I'm going to get my feet going in each of the gaps. Remember using your arms as well. So we're going fast feet, walking back. Fast feet, walking back. You can change this, there's lots of variations. You might want to do it sideways on a second or third session within the week. So that's the 3rd activity. The 4th one, number 4, I put some socks down on the floor as markers for this one, and I'm going to be hopping, but I'm going to be hopping, standing still and balance. So I'm going to hold my hop or hold my land. Arms back, the same as jumping and landing. Hopping. 1, 2, 3. Keeping my balance. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. And walking back. That's number 4. And then the last one, number 5 by here, is running. So if we're indoors or a smaller space, running on the spot. Okay, if we're outdoors, we're just going as fast as we can. Touch if you want to. Changing legs. Working for the full 45 seconds. Okay, that's it. We'll see you a bit for the activities. Right, 45 eiliad ar y timer. Ni'n barod? Bant â ni. Okay, now it, change. Go. Barod? Ewch. Defnyddio breichiau, use your arms. Jumping, hopping and fast feet. And change. Now. Yeah. Stefan, hoppo. Cytu mewn. Down there. 5, 4, 3, 2. So fi wedi gwneud 2 peth caled. I've done 2 very challenging activities energy-wise. Fi wedi gwneud 2 gweithgaredd eitha trwm o ran egni. Nawr fi'n cael tyma bach o egwyl, tyma bach o anadl nôl man hyn. I'm having a little bit of my air back by here now by doing the bouncing activity. Put my arm around my back. Aeroplane, keep going. Stop. Yeah, 1 to go. In event. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bant a ni. Beiliad. Un arall. Da iawn. Iawn, wedi wneud 1 set, 2 i fynd. Okay, 2 to go. We're ready. 45 seconds. 4 beiliad. Bant a ni. Cofiwch newid coes os ydyn ni'n helpian. Lot mwy anodd i fi ar y coes chwith. Cadwch fynd, good. Stop am yna, bach o dŵr, 15 eiliad, 15 seconds. Quick drink maybe. Get some air in for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rwy'n meddwl y Wi-Fi wedi torri lawr fyna. Pymtheg eiliad. Iawn. Unwaith. 3, 2, 1. Dwi'n trial neidio i'r ochr fan hyn. I doi tros dy gilydd. Yn ôl. Newid. Billy, ti chi'n neud i'r ochr. You can do it sideways or front on, up to you. Lan I ti, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I gweithgaredd caled I fi, nawr fi ar y pyr. Eto yn anodd. Bownsio un llaw, dal y bil 2 o'ch llaw. Pump eiliad ar ôl. Dyna ni. Un gweithgaredd ar ôl hwn. Ia. Sefychwch lan yn syth I tynnu'r anadl mewn i'r sgyfaint. Stand up straight to pull the air into your lungs, okay? Chest and lungs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eiliad ar ôl. Cofiwch amrywio popeth. Amser chi'n neud y gweithgareddau hyn I cynllunio o flaen llaw os chi'n mynd I newid, neidio, newid y redeg ac yn y blaen. Remember the plan ahead. If you're going to thinking of changing things or if you've got new ideas, think about them beforehand so that you can change them then on the second or the third set. Okay, last set, set diwetha. Okay, 5 gweithgaredd I fynd, pawb I gweithio'n galed. Off ni. Fi wedi newid hwn man hyn I hercian hopo i'r ochr. Felly, fi wedi newid y sanau ar y llawr. Fi'n mynd I hopo i'r ochr. Okay, mae fe'n anodd. Okay, so I've increased the difficulty here. I'm hopping to the side. I've changed my socks on the floor to give me a target, and it's still hop and hold. So I'm going the other way. Hop, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A cerdded nôl. Okay, cadw fynd. Keep going. Last set. Keep going, Millie. And change. Pymtheg eiliad, 15 seconds. Big. Okay, barod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off on ni. that. 45 seconds does feel quite long sometimes on these activities. Time to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For this one here now, I've jumped lengthways, long jumps. I've done sideways. Now I'm going to try and jump high. So fi wedi neidio eitha hir, neidio i'r ochr. Fi'n mynd I trial neidio lan nawr. So eto ddim yn beth. A nôl â ni. Uchel, pŵer lan. Os plant bach da chi, gallwch chi jyst neidio dros y rein eitha aml, neu dod I ffon bach lawr ar y llawr hefyd. Da iawn, pawb I newid. Dŵr arno. Change and get your water on. 2 activities left. 2 ar ôl. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off â ni. Newid, 1 ar ôl. Da iawn chi. Iawn. Pawb I gweithio'n galed de. Yr un ymdrech, same effort for the last one, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ewch. Dig eiliad ar ôl. Cadw fynd. Un arall. Thanks for joining us. You can see all these videos, these lessons on our YouTube channel at Ceredigion Active. And for the staff from the schools out there, you can join our Microsoft Teams and you can see all these videos and then additional resources we've got filed on Teams. Ideas that will allow you to change these and develop the skills ready for the children. Thanks for joining us.